Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the S&P 500 on the MooMoo app. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you place your trade with confidence. First, log into your MooMoo account and make sure the app is ready to use. Before doing anything else, ensure your account is funded. You can check this by going to the Me section and confirming that you have available funds. Once your account is funded, head over to the Markets section. From there, you'll be able to find the S&P 500 listed under Global Indexes or in the US section. Tap on the S&P 500, then select the specific trading option you want, such as options trading. After choosing your option, you'll see detailed information about the trade. Make sure the action is set to buy, then enter the amount you wish to invest. You'll also be able to view the profit and loss analysis, including potential maximum profit and maximum loss. At this stage, you can adjust your strategy by selecting one of the available options or creating a custom strategy depending on your preference. Once everything looks good, simply tap Trade and the purchase will be completed automatically, as long as you have sufficient funds in your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to buy the S&P 500 on the MooMoo app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching.